The Siachen avalanche tragedy has built up pressure on both Pakistan and India to withdraw troops from the world's highest battlefield. Chief of Army Staff General Ashfaq Parvez Kiani has already called for an end to the conflict.
This conflict should be resolved. But how it is resolved, that the two countries have to talk about it. There have been, I think, numerous rounds of talks on this issue. The last round of talks was only about a year and a half back, where the Secretaries of Defense met in India and they talked about it. Sometimes we get close to the resolution and again there are issues which we can't resolve. And issues we must resolve. Like I said in Urdu also, that peaceful coexistence between the two neighbors is very important, so that we can, everybody can concentrate on the well-being of the people. That's important. We in the army understand very well that there should be a very good balance between defense and development. You cannot keep spending on defense alone and forget about the development, because ultimately the security of a country is when not only that you secure the boundaries, borders physically, but it is when the people who are living in the country, they are happy, their needs are being met, then that, only in that case a country is truly secure.
The Indian government has welcomed Pakistan's statement on resolving the Siachen issue, but the path forward is a tenuous diplomatic one. The Pakistan Foreign Office has said that policy on the Siachen issue has not changed. They have reiterated the demand for India to retreat back to their pre-1984 position on the glacier. Still, hopes remain high that the tragedy that befell Pakistan's soldiers may translate into much-needed dialogue between the two countries.